black gold your lovely plants need. Mobile and easy to tumble, Miracle-Gro composters will produce fine fertilizer for your happy garden. Compact, single-chamber composters take little space, but still fit up to 18 or 27 gallons of compost. With dual-chamber models, you can add compost ingredients to one section while letting the contents from the other cure. Choose from two options, 37 or 55 gallons. Designed for durability and heavy-duty year-round service. Rust-proof. Pest-free. With mixing bars inside and locking stoppers outside. Made of BPA-free, food-grade, UV-protected, totally toxin-free recycled plastic. Easy to set up. It takes less than 30 minutes to assemble with our online step-by-step instruction. Order your Miracle-Gro tumbling composter today and compost all year round, hassle-free.